Welcome, my friends, to Take Me to Paris. So, I'm your friend, Theclastyle, and today I am happy to be going to Paris with some lovely ladies. So, this challenge is hosted by the Diva Dynasty, and the host today is Diva Decorating, and all the lovely members of this dynasty is Lynn's Lifestyle Living, me, myself, and DIYing it. Cynthia, she's so blessed, and Mysterious Alberta. And this is a group of ladies who come up with such exquisite tablescapes and so many other things. I enjoy watching them, and sometimes I jump on board. And today I wanted to go to Paris, so please stick around and see what I have to offer. All they ask is that you incorporate the color pink. I have some pink in my top. The use of pink, the use of Eiffel Towers. If you did not have an Eiffel Tower, one could have been printed. They did not want you to spend any money, and literally I did not spend a cent on this tablescape. So I hope you stick around and enjoy my presentation, guys, and let's see what I came up with. Stick around now.
So guys, this is my table that I'm going to be using. I've already cleaned it out, and all I will be doing, I already give it a polish, and I am going to be using some pieces that I had from before. These are some hearts that we used for a tea party that was held a little while ago up in the cottage, and there are some lovely French words: bonjour, amour, merci, and I'm going to be incorporating it onto the table setting. Some of the pieces I would not be using, like these, and I am going to be using these smaller hearts. So I think it's going to look lovely. It's just scatter around the table. These guys are some banners, some teapot banners, and I'm thinking of using them on the table setting also, not as banners. I am setting my table mats. They are black, and I'm going to set the teapots around, and these in the center here is going to act as the coasters for my tea cup and saucer. So this candelabra I had that I did many months ago, could be a year or so, and I'm using that today. It stands very elegantly, and the dogs were barking, guys. I'm so sorry about that. But my candelabra stands so elegantly, like I was saying. And what I will be doing is using this Eiffel Tower. I have this lovely back ooh la la sign, and I'm just going to adhere it to the back and set it on the bottom of the stand. I also have some little pink teacups with roses in them. These are also going to be incorporated into the design, and these are supposed to be set on top of my candle holder. My music is supplied by Stable and Lonely. That's my channel music, and do check out the link below to visit his channel. And guys, I have a black Eiffel Tower, I have a gold one, and I have a pink one. This is Amour, and I'm setting that on a height when I do get to that. This is the pink one, and this one says Bonjour, and these are the candle holders that's going to be used to raise the Eiffel Towers on, and I will just have a light in the bottom of it. I'm going to turn the glass upside down. So this is how the setting is going to look. So guys, moving on, I decided I was looking for my table runner and could not find it, but I'm gonna do this over if I do come across it. Now these candle holder is what gonna add the bling to the piece, and I set the roses on top of that, and of course I have the glam, the bling. I have the rustic effects, which is the black darker shades and tones, and I have found my runner, guys. So I'm gonna reset everything. It's not gonna take me long at all. And I also will be incorporating some boho pieces which you're going to see a little later on. So this is my boho rustic glam. I have a black teapot, and I just stuck the Eiffel Tower in the back of it, and I have these teacups and saucers, and what I love about these saucers, guys, it have a little ridge in it that the cup sits so nicely and snug into the piece. And I'm just setting them on top of the teapots. The teapots act as a coaster for this setting. So this is how everything looks so far.
My boho pieces, I'm using burlap. This is just a piece of lace that's ruffled and a little bead, and I have my rope trim around. I did a galvanized effect on this piece, and I'm just gonna set the Eiffel Tower on top of one of them. I also have this one. This is a copper galvanized look. I will share the video for that. And this is burlap, and rope is just set around here. This one I'm going to set my candle in. I have a little burlap flower. I'm just going to set it on the table, and I have my wooden napkin ring holder that I just placed into my napkin. And so these are my rustic boho pieces together with my glam pieces. This rose I'm incorporating is just gonna lay on the side of the candelabra.
So everything is coming together so nicely. My hearts are all scattered around the table. My lovely galvanized boho style piece, and the ooh la la signs and all the towers, everything just blends in so nicely together. There's the burlap flowers, the wooden napkin ring holders. Everything is set for a lovely afternoon tea setting. So I again want to thank Diva Dynasty for this lovely Take Me to Paris collaboration, and I am so happy that I entered into it. I enjoyed it very much. These are the other pieces from my boho copper galvanized piece, and my lovely rose incorporated into the setting. So guys, thanks for stopping by and letting me share my presentation with you, and I hope you have enjoyed. And this is Theclastyle saying, do like, subscribe and share. Click that notification bell, and I'll catch you later. Bye guys.